Hello friends, today I will give you topic page replacement algorithm. In this sheet, you know about how you can solve any problem which is related to page replacement algorithms. There are various type of page replacement algorithms. A page replacement algorithm helps to decide which page must be swapped out from the main memory to create a room for the incoming page. There are 5 page replacement algorithms here. One is FIFO, first in first out page replacement algorithm. Second, LIFO, page replacement algorithm. Last in first out page replacement algorithm. Third, LRU, page replacement algorithm. It means least recent used page replacement algorithm. Optimal page replacement algorithms, and fifth, random page replacement algorithm. FIFO page replacement algorithms means first in first out page replacement algorithm. This algorithm work on the principle of first in first out. It replaces the oldest page that has been present in the main memory from the longest time. It is implemented by keeping track of all the pages in a queue. Second, LIFO page replacement algorithm, last in first out page replacement algorithm. This algorithm work on the principle of last in first out. It replaces the newest page that arrive at last in the main memory. It is implemented by keeping track of all the pages in a stack. Third, LRU page replacement algorithm. This algorithm work on the principle of least recent used. It replaced the page that has not been referred by the CPU for the longest time. Fourth, optimal page replacement algorithm. This algorithm replaces the page that will not be referred by the CPU in future for the longest time. It is practically impossible to implement this algorithm. This is because the page that will not be used in future for the longest time cannot be predicted. However, it is the best known algorithms and give the least number of page fault. Hence, it is used as a performance measure creation for other algorithm. And fifth, random page replacement algorithm. This algorithm randomly replace any any page. So this algorithm may behave like any other algorithms like FIFO, LIFO, LRU, and optimal etc. In page replacement algorithm, how you can solve if any question is given, then what types of logic we can implement to solve this type questions. First of all, you should know about how many frame size has given in your question. It may be 3 page frame, 4 page frame, 5 page frame, anyone it is given. First, see the question. Size of page frame PF means PF is 3 page frame, 4 page frame, or how many numbers has given in question. It is defined number of frame in given figure. PF1, PF2, PF3, it means page frame number 1, page frame number 2, page frame number 3, because here the first figure 3 page frame is given and next is 4 page frame. Then second logic, second see the which algorithm we can apply according to questions. It's maybe FI, FO, LIFO, LRU, optimal or random page replacement algorithm. Anyone is given in your question. Third, it is implemented by keeping track of all the page in a queue for FIFO. If you are using FIFO algorithm, then it is implemented by keeping track of all the page in a queue. And if you are using LIFO, lasting first out, it is implemented by keeping track of all the page in a stack. Now, question number 1. A system use 3 page for frames for storing process page in main memory. It used the optimal page replacement policy. Assume that all the page frames are initially empty. What is the total number of page fault that will occur while processing the page reference string given below? 47617617272. Also calculate the hit ratio and miss ratio. In these questions, first, according to rule, we know that 3 page frame given in question, and we can implement here optimal page replacement policy. Optimal page replacement policy. So we know that first of all we can find out total number of reference. Page reference is given here 10. So a system use 3 page frame here, PF1, PF2, PF3, and total number of reference is given page reference 10, 4, 7, 6, 1, 7, 6, 1, 2, 7, 2. Here this is a page reference. According to mechanism, optimal page replacement mechanism, we will insert page reference in a main memory. Here all main memory are empty. So we will put here first 4 insert in main memory. Next is 7 here, and next is 6 because here 3 frame, so automatically 3 page fault will come out. And next, according to optimal page replacement algorithms, given the error, right side of position 1 will be replaced, but what will be the mechanism we can implement here for optimal page replacement? The C in a main memory have a already occupied 6, 7 and 4, and then you can find out next 1 will come out here, then which one will be replaced? So you should use the mechanism which reference will come out list in right side of 1. So first of all come out 7, then 6, then 1, then 2, then 7, then 2, but 4 is not come, so 4 will be replaced by 1. Here 4 replaced by 1, it means also will come out page fault. Second 7 already in main memory, so it means it is the page hit. Next is 6 already in main memory, it is also called page hit. Next is 1 is also in a main memory, so it is also called page hit. and next come out 2. 2 is not in main memory, it will be replaced. Then what type mechanism we can use for replace this one? The mechanism we can use here to right side check the which page which reference number will come out at least. Here 6, 7 and 1, then just you see here 6 is not present, only present here 7 and 2. 6 and 1 is not present here. So first of all, which will become first? So 6 will come first. So here we can replace 2, 6 replaced by 2. Now next 7. 7 is page hit already in a memory. Now next is 2. 2 is also come out here because 2 is already in main memory, so it's going to be called page hit. Green color represent page fault and red color represent page hit. Now calculating hit ratio, total number of page hit equal to total number of reference minus total number of page miss or page fault. In given questions, total number of reference is given 10 and we can find out total number of page miss or page fault is 5. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Thus hit ratio equal to total number of page hit by total number of reference. It means 5 by 10 equal to 0.5 or 50%. Calculating miss ratio, total number of page miss or page fault equal to 5. Thus miss ratio equal to total number of page miss divided by total number of reference. It means 5 by 10 equal to 0.5 equal to 50%. In another way, we know that directly miss ratio we can find out using formula. Miss ratio equal to 1 minus hit ratio. It means 1 minus 0.5 equal to 0.5 or 50% answer.